How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you one thing that people usually completely forget about when it comes to their cars, either before quick little trips or long road trips or just in general, honestly. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that you can like and subscribe to my channel for free. It helps me out, helps you out. Why not do it for me? Without further ado, let's get into the video. So what is this thing that everybody forgets to do? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. It's your air intake. It's your filter. Due to the fact if anything gets sucked right into your vent, anything, because there's no filter there, the filter goes up into the engine, which is right in here for me, and then that's what pretty much filters out the air filter. Today I'm going to be showing you how, well, for the most part, how to take it off, because every car is different. So I'm going to be showing you how to take it out of an Explorer, but it's pretty much the same general idea. Alright, air intake. It's this big thing. What you want to do first, you want to loosen up all the ties on it. And then you also want to take off all the plugs. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So again, see this little green clip? You just push it back, and you wiggle it loose, comes straight off. Then there's another clip. What you want to do is you want to take the little red thing, push it back out, that unlocks it, then you just wiggle it loose. There you go, that's how you take out the sensors. Then for the Explorer, there's two clips, right here and right here. You just unbuckle those like you're unbuckling your pants. There you go. Again, that should take this completely off. Just like that, you just lift it up. So again, you lift this up, like that. Here's your air filter. But you can take this whole thing off without this getting in the way, easily by just doing this. See, remember I told you to loosen this up here? You just gotta lift this up and kind of move it around. Again, it's just a seal, because if you tighten this thing up, it closes the clamp, so you can't take it off, but if you loosen it, you can take this whole thing off. Alright, so here's your filter. I honestly, personally haven't cleaned it in a bit. You can kind of see some dirt marks on it. But yeah, if you take it up and look what's inside, you usually get some leaves and some dirt. Usually you get some stuff more in there. But what you want to do is you can just like shake it, hit it, rinse it out, put it back in depending on the filter you have. Each filter is different. But again, just want to take everything that's in here. These leaves have been in here for a while because you can instantly just like break them apart. As you can see, it's green and not dead leaf season. So, take everything out, clean it out, take your filter, put it right back in, and as you took off the filter before, just put it right back in the way you found it. So again, put this on top, there's that, push this down, you want to make sure all the electrical wiring's out of the way, push this down more, you want to make sure that this can go right into the thing right, there's that, you take your little clamps, pushing back down, pushing back down. Trickiest thing is putting this thing back on because of where it's at. So you want to put it around, you want to push it, play with it until it slips right back on. Take your connectors, they just push right back in, push the little red thing back in for me, and then you tighten it. And then again, it's all on, all firm, you are good to go. Alright guys, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and like the video for more. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.